Now this is probably a job for the women, but I will teach you how to properly clean an oven.
For this, we're gonna need a wire brush.
So for this you need a wire brush, some toothbrushes, some degreaser, and better if you give it to your wife and let her scrub all this crap, because this is very much like cleaning an oven, lads.
2 on the beat. Maxo.
All your rubber bits spray with silicone. It's gonna clean it and sort it out basically. And this is proper fucked up. Don't even know what to fucking grab with this. Right, I need some Mr. Muscle.
Mr. Muscle is not only for the cooker, but it also does wonders on the engine covers, because it is pretty much a cooker if you cook it really.
Maxo.
See, oven cleaner, and this is an oven. Whichever way you wanna fucking twist it. Oh, more poisonous gases and shit comes out of it. Fuck knows where I found it. Alright, oh, close your fucking nose because this shit is lethal. I don't use. We should. We're gonna get shitloads of this stuff tomorrow. Okay, dudes, I can't find the most important fucking tool which we need, as usual, which is the wire brushes. I heard them. Definitely heard them. I've been meaning to get organized for the last fucking 5 years. It still hasn't happened. Oh, but fuck it. I'm gonna get some new ones tomorrow. These kids were using it here, so I reckon they fucking...
Well, if your kids were using them, then they're definitely gone forever. So you need to buy some new ones. Or ask Lord. Oh Lord, can you buy me some new motherfucking brushes? Because I've been cleaning my teeth with this one, and now I'm cleaning the engine. Oh Lord, can you buy me some tools?
Well, it's saying that, but it's fucking doing the job.
Oh Lord, can you please buy me some brushes and tools? Because I've been brushing my teeth with this one and look like motherfucking fools.
Well, all this shit I'm gonna do tomorrow with the wire brush. But today, like Thomas said, I need to get this shiny baby. This might scratch it a bit too much. Get 1000. Nah, this is shit. Okay dudes, so to finish off today, I'm gonna do these rings. You could machine it of course, but there's a risk of taking off a bit too much. You know, it doesn't take a very long time. It's best to use your thumb. We also got thumbs luckily. Soon we'll have no thumbs, so while you have them, fucking use them. So really get your fingers in there dudes. All this I'm gonna leave with truck wash overnight again. I hope you do, because it's been fucking about an hour and a half of scrubbing. Now the reason I haven't used the machine is that it's a bit dangerous, you know. You can go a bit too enthusiastic and take out a bit more than you should, because it's only quite soft aluminium. So that's why it's a bit risky using the machine. So best not to be lazy and do it by hand late at night, like making love to a woman, really. Well, not really, it's fucking shit, but this is shit, not making love to a woman. But what can you do? It's got to be done. This would cost you probably £1,000 or something to clean out your entire engine, flush the whole system. Yeah, dudes. Now this is getting serious. We got ourselves a wire brush, we got ourselves truck wash. So let's go and clean this head out proper.
And now we ask who's really meant to be cleaning the oven, why the fuck she's not cleaning the oven.
Сгиньте, Молли! А? Это chemical очень серьезный.
Yes, it's full of dangerous chemicals. This is why it is woman's job. It is woman's job.
Oh yes, and this is what we were missing yesterday. Look at this, boys and girls. We had no fucking chance. We scrubbed this for a long time. Nothing better than the wire brush, dudes. Look at all this shit coming off.
If you cannot get your wife to do it, get some child slave labor to do it.
Come on. Do it. Do it!
Oh yes, look at that, baby. Look at that. So definitely a worthwhile investment. Это мой маленький майки-майки. Мы тут чистим все. Ага, о май гад. Да, вот так. Смотри. Хочешь майки вот так? Good boy. Good boy. Молодец.
Пап,
А теперь?
это будто надо, это будто вот так.
Сначала надо вот так. Вош.
Пап, вот это купим копивая. Пап,
Ага.
вот это купим копивая.
А да, у нас вот есть, вот видишь. Шланг.
Пап, вот это купим, вот это купим.
Да?
Пап, а вот это вот так.
Да, открывать. Угу. Открывать вот так, молодец.
Пап, вот это вот так.
А, да, пока не надо, сейчас папа вот это почистит.
Michael Corleone is just saying, I ain't gonna scrub that shit. You scrub it.
О! Воу! Dirty, да было?
Подгон Production.
Ага. А у нас такой есть, мы уже купили.
Вот это вот так. Вот так вот.
Угу.
Это вот так. Так, вот так. Мама, вот это.
Да. Вот это включили и вперед. Так. Ну какое было dirty, да?
And in the meantime, Daddy was going motherfucking crazy. With a brush, of course.
Это Микунька. Ты хочешь папе помочь? О, смотри, уже клин, да?
My wrist was getting very tired, so I just wanted to ask Michael if he wants to help his daddy. But he said, nah, scrub it yourself, you lazy bastard.
Так будет чисто, труба чисто. Чистим, труба чисто. Чисто. Чистим, труба чисто.
Пап, надо вот так.
Ага. Вот она надо включить. Ну, пока нам не надо, а то тут намокнет. Сейчас пока тут вот. О, видишь как? Good. О, найси. Ой. Теперь вот тут.
Okay, before you go loco, insane in the brain and develop an OCD, you can stop scrubbing for a PP.
Okay, after you've scrubbed it, put some more truck wash in it. And then we're gonna pressure wash it.
So enough pissing for one little clip episode, so tune in soon my friends and I'll show you how to put it all back on.